Immerse the chocolate container in boiling water. Allow the chocolate to melt. I have taken 140 grams of dark chocolate. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of milk, that is 400 milliliters. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more sugar as per your taste. Add 2 cups of water, that is 400 milliliters. You can turn on the flame on medium-high. Keep stirring until sugar dissolves completely. Allow the milk to reach its boiling point. Add 2 tablespoons of Agar Agar powder. If not available, you can also add gelatin or China grass. Please do not overcook it. Now turn off the flame and add the melted chocolate mixture to this and stir it well. Now transfer the mixture in a mold. Place it in refrigerator until it sets. Now you can demold the cake. You can enjoy it with chocolate syrup. The delicious glazed chocolate cake is now ready to be served. Do enjoy it with your friends and family. brings to the end of this recipe. Hope you liked it. Chocolates are very nutritious and a powerful source of antioxidants. It reduces the risk of heart diseases. It may even improve blood flow and improve your brain function. Hope you liked this recipe. It is rightly said, food tastes better when you eat with your family. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for post notifications. Stay safe, eat healthy. See you in the next video. Goodbye.